In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot scammers on 1688 app. This walkthrough will help you vet suppliers confidently so you can avoid headaches before you pay. We'll move through practical checks you can do right inside any product listing, and I'll point out what good sellers typically show versus common red flags. Start by opening a product and tapping the seller name to view the shop profile. Real sellers usually display registered business details, how many years they've been active, a clear business location, and a wide catalog. Scammers often show very little shop information, no business credentials, or just a single product. A thin profile is often your earliest red flag. If you're browsing in another language, use in-app translation so you don't miss key details. Next, look for verification badges. Common trustworthy badges include Chengxin Tong, also known as Trust Pass, which indicates basic verification. Shili Shangjia, meaning powerful merchant, a higher tier seller, and Shendu Yanhan, the deep factory inspection badge. Scammers rarely have these. No badge doesn't automatically mean a scam, but it does call for extra caution. Scroll down to sales, ratings, and reviews. Be wary of products with few or no purchases, generic copy-paste reviews, comments in a single language with no buyer context, or repetitive feedback that feels staged. Positive signs include lots of recent orders, buyer photos that look real, and detailed, balanced reviews. Compare prices by searching the same product keyword across the app. If one supplier is far cheaper than everyone else, be cautious. Prices that look too good to be true usually are. Legitimate sellers tend to cluster within a similar range. Open the product description and photos. Strong listings include clear specifications, materials, sizes or variations, and authentic photos rather than stock imagery. Red flags include a single, low-quality photo, generic or unrelated pictures, and missing size or spec info. Random images are a common bait tactic. Message the seller from the product page, ask for real product photos, the minimum order quantity, and shipping options, and whether they offer returns or exchanges. Watch for very slow responses, evasive answers, chats that vanish without resolution, or pressure to move the conversation off platform. Good sellers answer clearly and promptly. Pay attention to response patterns. Reliable sellers provide numbers and specifics, reply in a timely manner, and are willing to explain or negotiate. Scammers give one-word replies, push you to contact them outside 1688, or send external payment links. Never pay outside the platform, you lose protection. Avoid suspicious payment requests like direct bank